Now it's time to install the AI traffic software. You're already logged into your HostGator account, or if not, log into it. Go over here to Edit Site, select that, and it's going to log you automatically into what we call WP Admin. Go to Plugins, and what I'm going to do is add a plugin. Now, when you download the software, it's going to be downloaded. It may unzip the software. You need to upload the zip version of the software. So I'm going to click Upload, choose File, and I have it saved in my Downloads folder. The name of the file is AI Massive Passive Profit.zip. Select that, open, install, and select Activate. You'll now see a Massive Passive option over here on your left-hand menu. We'll get into the settings and license in the next videos.